Don't you mess with her. Don't you mess with this girl. She means business.
It's fun to use. A little thrilling. I was a little bit like, oh man, fingers in, be careful.
Good morning, everybody. We are in the middle of making our yummy favorite sheet pancakes. Boom, we already got the pancake. Not sheet pancakes. Sheet pancakes. Woman, sheet! So yes ma'am.
Whenever I was talking about putting the sheets on the bed in that room, Mary thought I was saying sheep, and she was like, "You put sheep on our bed?" She was a really good.
Where is she? She's sleeping?
She's sleeping.
Marion's a snoozy girl, and she's so funny. It's so funny when kids like hear the wrong things or they don't understand something, like because it has a word in it that they know, but it doesn't make sense in the context that you're saying it to them at least. You know, like putting sheep on the bed, which was just a misunderstanding, but anyways, let's get back to it. Sorry, we're getting back to it. We're getting distracted, talking about sheep and sheets. Anyway, so we are going We're getting to it, kid. I got my 2 helpers. They're gonna help put some toppings on. We're gonna do some different varieties today. We have some
strawberries and blueberries.
Cut up strawberries. We're gonna do a strawberry blueberry blend. So we're gonna mix these 2 together. Then I'm gonna do some brown sugar and cinnamon. And what else were we gonna do?
Banana.
Oh, banana, good idea. We need to get rid of some of the bananas. We got tons. We've been going to Costco and buying like these bananas and just buying so many. And they end up going not bad because we end up using them. All right, so let's get to it.
How about you get blueberry? I know, I'm gonna do it.
Here we'll do blueberry and strawberry, and then here we'll do
chocolate.
Okay, never mind, we're gonna go this way. Here you go, why don't you start with the strawberries and blueberries, and then you do the chocolate chips, and make sure you're sprinkling, like kinda keep it up high and go like this. And kinda move your hand around as you, yeah, there you go. Hey, how would you feel if I gave you that? That boy lives, thrives on fruit. He loves it. That's good, perfect. All right, let's put it in the oven and then get ready to eat them. Our other girls are outside picking persimmons. So, I don't know that they're ripe. Pretty sure most of them are not. But, you know, it's keeping them busy and they're enjoying it and getting along. So, go have at it. Not gonna fight with you on it. And if you eat them and they make your mouth all, that's on you. Okay, they're done and they're looking delish. We got some hungry kids. We're gonna dig in, we're gonna dive in, we're gonna cut it up, and we're gonna make this happen right now. What are you doing with that?
I want to eat this thing.
You gonna eat that cat?
No, I don't eat with it.
Are you gonna eat with it? Well, let your kids be bored enough, and they will figure out something to do. Tyler, did you make all these, or did somebody else make some?
I did all of them.
Tyler made these dolls out of paper towels.
This is Laura, this is Caroline, this is Mary, and this is Charles.
Oh.
I haven't made baby Carrie yet, but I'm going to.
Oh, they look lovely.
I'm the one who made the dolls up because there was trash in there. There's lots of paper dolls. I gathered them up and it looked like a doll, so I was like, "Kind of this trash?" And she said, "Yeah." And then I was like, "Wait, I can make it into a doll." And then I made it into a doll. And then Tyler was like, "Maybe I can make a doll." And then she made a much smaller doll than me.
All right, today is the day we are setting up shop outside because the weather is actually really beautiful to build our chicken coop. So I've got the miter saw over there. I'm setting up to stain just the ends of the woods that I cut, just so that everything is like sealed and uniform in case some of this shows. So we're gonna stain those, which will only take a minute, but John's gonna, I think, carry down all the supplies. Why are you walking around like a rooster?
What? I'm really in here.
So weird. Anyway, that's it. It's gonna project underway. It's probably gonna take us the entire day, and I think we are missing a piece, or maybe we're not. Maybe we have to cut one of those pieces. I don't know. The directions are mostly pictures. So that means, so how many inches are in 1 foot then? 24 divided by 12, but divided by 2. Half of 24. Bingo, 12. Good job. So I marked it 24. That's how long we want it. Then I'm gonna put it up here, and I'm lining it up to make sure the blade is nice and on that. And then I go like this. I hold this side. This side's being held by the clamp enough. And then I'm gonna turn. Now we've got all 6 of these. I'm gonna just stain the ends of these. Okay, y'all do sound country. Our neighbor brought over a table saw, which we needed because we needed to cut the whole length of some of these boards. Super nice of him. I am going to I haven't used one. I have, but it's been like shop class in like 7th grade. So gonna figure this out. We have to cut a few of these into like, this board is gonna make 2 1.5 inch pieces of wood, and then I have to do a 3rd one. So those are going to end up being the perches for the coop. I'm going to do a couple more cuts and then maybe start laying it out, putting it together. John's making lunches right now. All the kids are occupied. It's kind of nice. We get outside, we work on projects, and they all stay outside with us, and I ain't gonna complain. Okay, I've gotten far enough ahead that I think I can start putting it together. The next steps to cut, say, measure the space before cutting. So I'm gonna build up to that point and then measure the space before cutting the next part. So John is mowing. That thing's crazy. It's fun to use, a little thrilling. I was a little bit like, oh man, fingers in, be careful. But we're pausing on the cutting, and I'm gonna start laying things out and figuring out how to actually put this thing together. Okay, got my tools and a cat. This is Mila. She's purring. She's like the sweetest thing ever. This is Elena's cat. This is the first one that ran out of the woods to come see us the other day. The kittens that got dumped by our house. I'm sure that's what they were, because they were so friendly and not afraid of people at all. And for their age, if they were like feral wild cats born outside, they wouldn't have been like that. So we fell in love with this one. We're keeping her. Hi. And I've heard that female orange tabbies are rare, which out of the 4 orange tabbies that were in the litter that showed up here, 3 of them were females, so kind of special. Great. I have an idea. Okay. Instead of this being the coop and the top and the chickens being under that,
The bottom.
what if this is the bottom, so the chickens
Well,
are on this at night, and then there's gonna be walls?
It's a good idea.
How does that sound?
maybe we could do this, or we could put a sheet over it. Like a water. Yeah.
Maybe.
And we could
But I feel like
put
a sheet
over here.
would just get rained in. Like the water go right through.
Yeah, but how big is Birdie? Do you think Birdie will fit in this?
Yeah, Birdie will fit. Well, not.
Where's Birdie gonna fit? Under it?
No.
No, see, so.
No, I know where he's gonna fit. On these.
Nice. So those are the perches.
These are the perches. The perches. I need some knee pads.
Don't you mess with her. Don't you mess with this girl. She means business.
I mean, get this thing done.